Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite, call me Akajigo. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm the priest in Ugochitubelu in our temple. We do deep consultation and other spiritual works. And also a priest in ordinary restoration evangelical mission and ordinary evangelist. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, in the hour of truth, topic of today is role of chi in spirituality. Yes, role of guardian angel in spirituality world over. I'm here to tell you that every human being here on earth has chi. Some call it chi, like we Igbos call it chi. But some call it the guardian angel. Some call it the spiritual being. Some call it spiritual guide. Whatever name you might decide to call it, based on your understanding in spirituality, it simply means the same thing. We are talking about that special guide that is behind you, guiding you. Some can even call it the third eyes, whatever you choose to call it. But I'm here to tell you that every human spirit here on earth has a guide. Yes, in world over, every human being has it. Some people has the ability, based on who they are from creation, to identify their spiritual guide, interact with their spiritual guide. Even some has the ability to see their spiritual guide and know who their spiritual guide is. Some of these spiritual guide has spiritual names. They are known in the spirit. However, in the world of physical, they might be identified with earthly names that is so common, as case may be, from culture to culture. All this is what we look into. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. We are still in the 3rd month of March 2026, according to Roman calendar. Our monthly rituals is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Remember, distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. This morning I have gone to the temple for prayers, do sacrifices, rituals on behalf of those that join us all over the globe. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of ordinary restoration, evangelical mission, and consecrated group. That's how we have been doing it. Till the last of the month, we close prayers. We will see the waters in the morning time to offer sacrifices on behalf of all. We proceed back to temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers and offer other sacrifices. You must have altar that speaks for you. So if you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, what you have to do is to make token donation to the account number, chat me on WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests we place in the altar. Yes. So if you are interested, my WhatsApp number is on your screen. Yes. 08013 8243 871 or 0805 7837 672. Now, let's proceed. Like I said before, topic of today is role of your chi in spirituality. And I'm here to tell you that we Igbos call chi only one mother. You know, chi work hand in hand with other spiritual forces that follows you. You understand that chi, we Igbos call it chi bunso. We use it as a name to signify the importance of chi. That chi leads. Yes, there's nothing you can do on earth and succeed massively without the support of your chi. Your chi is that beings that behind you, you might not be able to see your chi. And some few individuals was permitted to see their chi. But I can tell you, without whether you see the Yachi or you didn't see, with your this your earthly, your gross material eyes, does not mean that Yachi does not exist. That Yachi is a special being dedicated to you, to watch over you from creation. And if you align yourself with this special being assigned to you, it shall be well with you. Because it means that you align with your guide. And it can never be a body. What Igbo had says, it cannot be a body, meaning you cannot be master of all. You don't allow anybody to lead you. Anybody that lives such life that you don't like support, you don't allow somebody to lead you, you often make some terrible mistakes that might even cause you huge things in life. So your chi is that your spiritual being that is in charge of you. He's the one defends you, protects you, shield you from negative arrows. However, it's a pity that some people have not aligned with their chi. And sometimes, before anything will happen to you, your chi must be in the known. Your chi is the last man standing. However, out of your own ignorance, if you decided not to recognize the effort of your chi might decide to abandon you or to back you for you to receive small burara, that is small caning. Yes, for you to understand how things work. One Igbo adage says, and again, and I quote, says, Chionya digi nisu. I will explain in English. Meaning, if your chi does not support any gang up against you in the spiritual realms, you will live long and grow gray hair. Meaning, if your chi does not support any evil to harm you, no evil will harm you. Your chi sees what you cannot see with your gross material eyes. And if you are not in good terms with your chi might decide to allow small punishment to befall you as a warning for negligence. Yes. But if you understand and align with your chi will always prevent you, because that is the primary assignment of your chi. But sometimes, because your chi have been pre-warning you over time, demanding your attention, but because of your ignorance, you decided not to pay attention to your chi's calling and warning. Your chi might decide, okay, let this my child be dealt with. And when these other forces are dealing with you, you will be feeling challenges. But not that your chi have abandoned you. I can tell you that your chi will abandon you only if you deserve it. However, do anything humanly possible to align with your spiritual forces, because whatever that will happen in this gross material world must have taken on form in the spiritual realm. Your chi is his spirit, so you will be able to see those things when they are still in the spiritual forming in form. Yes. So the chi will be able to deal with it, so that those things will not happen in the world of gross material. That is why the importance of aligning with your chi and prayers coming. If before anything will happen in the world of gross material, it will first of all taking on form. You see the cars, the other manufacturers we are seeing, the end use, maybe phone we are seeing it. But the phone must come with prototype first. They begin to form it till it become a complete formed phone. So before anything will happen on earth, you first of all take on in the spiritual form, taking on form there. Yes. So if you are aligned with your chi will be able to nail them. Yes. While they are still forming, and prevent them from harming you. So if you are doing anything without Yachi, it's like you are ahead of your guide. One Igbo adage says again, and I quote, Onye buru chi ụzọ ọgbagbuo onwe ya n'ọsọ, meaning if you always move against before Yachi, you will run tired. So the answer is, have you recognized Yachi? Have you aligned with Yachi? Yachi knows you in and out. He understands your challenges. He is the one that will carry your problems and submit it to spiritual realm where your prayers will be answered. Yes. Remember, we had a story concerning what happened when there was coup d'etat on the life of former president of Nigeria in the person of Ibrahim Babangida. There is this particular ADC that follows him then, called Ugochitubelu. Do you know who ADC is? ADC is those police people or army people that stand behind executive governor or Mr. President. Yes. The work of that person is to prevent Mr. President, Mr. Governor, or those top government functionaries from being harmed. That is actually an illustration of what Yachi does. He's there to look after you. Meaning that the Yachi, when even if you are a government functionary, when you are sitting, maybe you are giving your lecture or whatever, your ADC is standing behind you. There is some certain thing your ADC is saying. You that is the president that might not see it. Because his eyes will be moving like the clock, going around. Yes, as a secret personnel that was very well trained. So, whenever he senses danger, he will first of all block you. So we are told that Ugochitubelu threw himself to protect his organ. And he was killed in that coup. That's what we had. So the same thing with what Yachi will do. If you recognize Yachi, Yachi will always fight your battle. People do say, one other says that Ndoga, the driver naka, Ndoga, the get man naka. If you are in good terms with your guide, your guide will always form a shield of protection. But when you are not in good terms with your guide, you might say, this is my child. Even if I protect him, he will not even recognize. No, thank you. No, very much. So I'm urging you now, under the influence of my voice, to from today, discover Yachi, align with Yachi, be in good terms with Yachi. By so doing, Yachi will always fight your battle when the chips are down. But out of your own ignorance, you decide not to recognize Yachi. You always be there, alone. When the chiefs are down, no spiritual forces will back you or protect you because you made yourself vulnerable to every attack. So I will advise you, based on your culture and tradition, your culture, I don't know what your culture or tradition calls your spiritual guide. Just make your inquiry, knows the names, but I can tell you, whichever name they call it, same me the same thing. That spiritual guide that oversees you. And I can tell you, if you align with Yachi and in good terms with Yachi will always fight your battle. You will never allow any unnecessary harm to happen to you. Because you have already built what we call personal relation with Yachi. He knows the way. He knows where to take your challenges, your complaints to. Yes, because he's the spirit. However, if he refuses to align with Yachi, Yachi might decide not to be very active in your matters. Yachi will be the one that will be guiding you, telling you those things you're supposed to know, intuitively advising you. I can tell you that if you are with Yachi, you can be pre-warned. And once you are growing spiritually, Yachi and guides increases. Yes, the same way you see an army captain. By the time that army captain grows to major or colonel, his security details increases. So whenever you are growing spiritually, your spiritual forces increases with your chi as the coordinator. What I'm telling you is that whenever you are growing spiritually, the more you are having multitude of forces working for your favor. Yes. So, but you must start with your chi, because that chi is the chief coordinator of all that other spiritual forces working with your chi. And if you refuse to recognize your chi, there are some certain things you will be always do so that your chi will feel recognized. Now you are planning to travel outside the country. You have some projects in mind. When was the last time you call your chi for meeting? Via spiritual exercise and meditation, tell your chi that you are here to have a meeting with your chi and the other forces that will wine and dine with your chi. Carry them along. They see what you cannot see. People around do run into problems because they refuse out of ignorance to recognize their spiritual forces. Without your chi, you will always be vulnerable to attack, because what it means that you are like orphan in the spiritual realm. No spiritual protection, no spiritual shield. It means that you are just a carnal man in that of the living. Means that if anything, your spirit will, your chi will, that is your spiritual guide, is not activated to the extent that your chi will always be there. Watch your battle, watch your fight, do all those things for you. Your chi is a spirit, and your chi will be able to know what is about to come and prevent them. So I will advise you that if you have not recognized your chi, there are so many things you will do to recognize your chi. One, constantly invoking your chi. Constantly invoking your chi on a daily basis. You want to go out. Say, have you told your chi that you want to go out? That you want to go and see Mr. A and Mr. B over so thing. And they ask your chi to guide you so that you will be favored while discussing with Mr. A and or B. If you go and everything went well the way you wanted it, once you come back, thank your chi. If the thing did not work exactly the way you wanted, I tell your chi, I met with Mr. A and B, but it did not work the way I wanted it. It remains small. Please help me. Tomorrow, but that is how we carry person along. Look at we human beings. If somebody is working with you, giving you attention, updates, you feel wanted. If you have other secrets, you reveal it to the person because you felt that the person carried you along. So the same thing with your chi. Don't go this earthly battle alone without that your spiritual guide. Without your chi, you will be vulnerable, because many fights, if you are defeated in the spiritual fight, you will be defeated in the physical fight. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, my WhatsApp numbers are on the screen. 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị ezigbo ụzọ ga-esi n'ugbo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forever. Ya gazie.